Hello, everyone. We're going to start our new section here. We're still sticking with drama. We're not going to do Julius Caesar this time. Julius Caesar is one that we really should do, I think, in a classroom. It's a little more difficult to do online and whatnot, and a little harder to understand, and our videos would have to be very long to explain everything. So we're going to skip that one, and we're going to go to modern theater. We're going to move ahead to modern theater. And we're going to do the play I Never Sang for My Father by Robert Anderson. Now, modern theater is also known as the 20th century theater, and it describes a period of extraordinary change in the theater. It's impacting Asia, Europe, and America theater forms. We usually mean a period actually between like 1850 and World War II, which is what's classified as modern theater. I remember when I first took my first class in modern theater, I'm thinking, that's not modern, that's ancient. But it's modern theater because it broke away from the stereotypical theater, Greek and Roman theater type situations. It focused on a broad perception of looking into art, including theater critically. Modern theater is characterized by its unique subject matters like the romanticism of the poor, the strict depiction of real life, and the use of symbols, imagery, and metaphors. Although modern drama evolved over time, its theme of using theater to challenge and experiment upon social norms remained constant. One major element of modern drama is realism. That is what really kind of started the whole concept of modern drama, is breaking away from the stereotypical type of theater. The 19th century marked the beginning of a type of prose drama performed on a small part of the stage, the part of the theater stage in front of the curtain, in which one could almost imagine that one was looking through a transparent fourth wall into the lives of ordinary people. This sort of realistic bourgeois, which is characteristic of the middle class, typically with reference to its perceived materialistic values or conventional attitudes. Drama is exemplified by different playwrights such as Ibsen, Shaw, Chekhov, Wilde, Arthur Miller, Noel Coward, and they can range from a drawing room comedy to a severe tragedy. In other words, it attempts to present life as it actually is, not as we wish it to be. Realism explores in detail the characters of ordinary people and the world we live in. As we read with Gilgamesh, not Gilgamesh, oh my goodness, in Antigone, it was totally different then than it is now. Another trend with the theater, modern theater, is experimentalism. Playwrights have experimented with traditional dramatic elements, trying to find new ways of presenting action and character on stage. Robert Anderson's I Never Sang for My Father is a realistic play that uses certain experimental touches. It has no scenery, but uses light as a chief means for setting the stage. It makes sudden shifts in time and place. It has a character who steps out of action to speak directly to the audience. We didn't see that before in plays and theater. Anderson also stripped away all the non-essentials in order to focus our attention on the real problem faced by one American family. And we're going to leave it right there, and we'll pick up again another time. I'm trying to keep these 5 minutes and under. Have a great night.